Winpin Electronic Technology Company Limited was founded in 2011, integrating research and development, production and sales of connector. Located in an individual industrial park of 3,500 square meters in Chang'an Town, Dongguan City, Winpin Associate Company has 15 sets of plastic injection machines from 80 ton to 150 ton, 10 sets of punches from 40 ton to 100 ton, 300 sets of connector molds, 240 sets of hardware terminal molds. There are also 22 sets of testing equipment and 130 sets automatic, semi-automatic, and manual assembly machines. Our main product lines are board-to-board, wire-to-board, cable assembly, I/O connectors and other connectors, including pin header connector, female header connector, box header connector, ejector header connector, IDC connector, flat ribbon cable, machine pin header, and machined female header connectors. Our products are used in electronic consumer, industrial control module, medical equipment, energy storage, drones, 5G communication industry. With 10-year experience in connectors, Winpin has ISO9001 and 14001 certificated, and all the materials of our products could meet requirements of RoHS. All those above made us standing out in price, quality, and lead time, and our goods is now exported to over 40 countries and regions. We take quality as the most important thing of the company and always stick to technology and brand strategy. We are looking forward to get more cooperation with you.